Hello everyone, hope everyone are doing good. In today's video we will see use case on elastic network interface on Amazon EC2 instances or the subnet on virtual private cloud. Elastic network interface is a network interface card which helps us to connect the EC2 instances over other AWS services like Amazon S3 and Amazon RDS, etc. A use case for elastic network interfaces are it is highly available and it helps from network failover as well. And third one is second one is on the it helps for the private connectivity, and third one is about the it helps for the load balancing. It helps to evenly distribute the traffic on EC2 instances, and it also helps for the network segmentation. It will have two subnets. For public subnet it helps to connect over the internet, and for private subnet it helps to connect over for the internal communications, etc. Okay, and some of the benefits are it is highly flexible and scalable, and it is highly available as well. Okay, further delay we'll see the demo part. In demo part we'll see how to manually create the elastic network interface and attach and detach over the Amazon EC2 instances. Okay, how you can control the network traffic by manually creating the elastic network interface. Okay, going on to AWS console. Okay, I'm in EC2 instance. Okay, I'm just creating the instances. Choosing the existing key pair, using the select security group as a default one. Okay, I'm going to create two instances. Okay, going on to the instances. The two instances are creating. The two instances started running. Okay, the first instance, both of them are available in the availability zone US East 1D. Okay, the first instances it will create along with that one network interface. Okay, which it has a public IPv4, private IPv4 and DNS. Similarly for second instance also it will have one network interface, and it contains the same public IPv4, private IPv4 and IPv4 DNS. Going on to the network interfaces, I'm manually going to create one network interface. Okay, I'm going to keep the description as ENI, and with respect to subnet I'm going to choose the availability zone US1D. I will select the private IPv4 as auto assign. That is, you can customly enter the IPv4 address. Okay, with the security group I'm choosing the default security group and creating the network interface. Okay, I created the ENI which is available to use, and I will be attaching this newly created network interface to one of the EC2 instances. Okay, I'm selecting to 298 instance. I'm just attaching that. Going on to the instances. Okay, if you go here network interface, you will be able to see the two network interfaces. Okay, I manually attached the manually created network interfaces as well. Okay, similarly you can detach from this network interface and attach it over to the another EC2 instances as well. And force detachment, just enabling that. Okay, it's still showing us in use. Okay, now it is available. The same way you can attach to the second instances as well. Okay, now what I'm trying to do is I'm going to delete both the instances. Before deleting, I will show you the network interfaces associated with this instances. Okay, 298.878. These are the network interface have been created along with the EC2 instances. What I'm trying to do is I'm going to connect this manually created network interface to the second instance, okay, which is 878, and then I'll try to delete the EC2 instances. Okay, okay, it have been added to the here. Okay, what I'm trying to do now, I'm going to delete both the instances, means terminating the instances. Okay, both the instances are shutting down. Going to the network interface, I'm just going to refresh. Okay, still the instance have not been terminated. Okay, now if you see, still second instance is available, the first instance have been removed. Okay, now all the instances have been removed, and the ENI network interfaces are available. ENI is available to us. Okay, with this demo we can see that the elastic network interface is helpful for the network control and also evenly distribute the traffic among the EC2 instances in a virtual private cloud. Okay, thanks for thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please free to drop in the comment section. Thanks everyone.